When it comes to vehicle safety, a name that is beginning to grab attention is the Maextro S800. Built through the partnership between Huawei and Jack Motors, this luxury electric sedan is not just about a sleek look or advanced technology, it is also proving itself as one of the most structurally secure electric vehicles on the market today. And the results from crash testing are not just good, they are remarkable. In one of the most highly discussed demonstrations, the Maextro S800 underwent a tough crash test where a 9-ton heavy-duty truck struck the vehicle head-on at 50 kilometers per hour. Most people would expect significant damage to the cabin or serious danger to those inside. But the S800 held its ground. The passenger space stayed intact, the energy from the impact was effectively absorbed, and every safety feature in the car responded right on cue. In a real-world scenario, that kind of performance can be the difference between walking away and being seriously hurt. The secret behind this protection is in the design. The vehicle uses what Huawei calls the Xuanwu safety architecture. More than 92% of the vehicle's body is made from ultra-high strength steel and lightweight aluminum. This not only makes the structure strong, but it also helps to redirect crash energy away from the people inside. That kind of engineering focus is more than marketing talk. It is validated by safety test ratings. The S800 has earned a 5-star rating from the China New Car Assessment Program and a 3G+ score in the China Insurance Automotive Safety Index. But the S800 does not stop at being strong, it is also smart. Thanks to Huawei's Advanced Driving System version 4.0, the car uses 4 light detection and ranging sensors and 32 total sensors to watch its surroundings. Whether you are driving through a busy city or merging on the freeway, the system keeps watch and reacts as needed. One of the most interesting safety features is the Gemini redundant safety system. If a crash seems likely, the car automatically tightens the seatbelts, moves the seats into safer positions, closes the windows, and unlocks the doors to prepare for help. If a collision still happens, it switches over to a backup power source and calls emergency services automatically. It is like having a guardian built right into your vehicle. The car also includes something called the Angel Seat system. This adjusts your seating posture and support to give you the best protection in case of a crash. It is an extra level of care most electric cars simply do not offer. And we cannot forget the driving experience. The Maextro S800 includes rear-wheel steering with up to 16 degrees of movement. This helps with tight turns or even allows it to move sideways in a crab walk mode. Add to that an adaptive suspension and smart headlights that shape their beams based on the road and your surroundings, and you have a vehicle that is doing everything it can to look after you. The Maextro S800 is not just another electric vehicle, it is a new way of thinking about automotive safety. Today, safety is about more than just airbags or brakes. It is about using smart design, predictive systems, and responsive features to protect everyone inside. For anyone searching for a luxury electric car that takes safety to heart, this is a vehicle worth taking seriously. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update on the future of electric vehicles and groundbreaking safety innovations.